In the case of a health officer, it's never going to be easy. And, I, again, had the support of the board.
This was the last time we saw Spokane Regional Health District Administrator Amelia-Clark on camera, and she indeed had the backing of the health board. Last fall, members voted 8-4 to fire Spokane County's top health officer, Dr.-Bob-Lutz. As Clark mentioned, it hasn't been easy. COVID-19 cases are surging in our community. New restrictions are suffocating local businesses and schools.
All this while Spokane County is left without a permanent health officer in the middle of a pandemic. This week, for the first time, she faced our questions. Tonight, my interview with Amelia-Clark in this 4 News Now exclusive.
Trust between health agencies and the public is crucial to crushing COVID-19, but trust was damaged in the fallout of Lutz's departure. So who's supposed to restore trust now?
Yeah, I think that responsibility comes back to me as the leader of the organization.
We saw it in the community, and 4 News Now obtained hundreds of letters from residents, physicians, and local leaders upset Lutz was no longer leading Spokane County through this pandemic.
I think that, self-reflection is a big part of my leadership process and looking at things I could do differently. And that's something that I'll always continue to do because that's my leadership style.
Days before Lutz's termination was official, Clark dismissed him. A move some question was even legal. When asked repeatedly if she had any regrets on how she handled this.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go into that right now.
Some of this, Nia, is you're getting into discussion that Amelia is not able to talk about.
In complaints filed by former City Council President Ben Stuckert and a Gonzaga University assistant professor, the Washington State Board of Health opened an investigation into Clark, which it confirmed is still happening. And Clark says the agency has been in touch.
The investigator will set up an interview, and they're gathering information.
She wouldn't tell us when this would happen, only that it was soon. Meanwhile, Clark is still part of the group searching for a permanent health officer for Spokane County.
We just went through receiving requests for proposals from recruitment organizations.
She says a recruitment plan is in the works and will be presented to the Board of Health on January 28th.
Kind of goes into having, what the interviews will look like, what the hopeful timing will look like, the whole process.
Another task requiring trust. While Clark owned up to the responsibility of repairing trust now that Dr. Lutz has moved on, she didn't explain how she planned to do it, but left us with this.
I think one of the things that I'm really trying to empower here in the community and with the health district is that we have a great team here that has been working on the response since the very beginning.